Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how to check the battery health of your Surface Go, Surface Pro or Surface laptop. So in today's video, I will show you the quickest way for you to check the batteries on your Surface. First of all, you need to go to search option over here and you type CMD. You can see we have command prompt over here is CMD. Now you need to type in this one, power CFG / battery report. Now you click enter. You can see here battery report saved to 5 parts. This one in C, user and battery report. Now you need to go to this 5 part. You will go to C. I will go to this PC over here. I will go to local C, user. I will choose my user. And you can see we have a file called battery report over here. Now you just need to open the file by Chrome browser or Edge browser or any kind of browser you want. I will open Microsoft Edge. And now I will drop to Microsoft Edge. I will drop my file here. Now you can see we have a battery report over here. We have computer name, system product name is Microsoft Surface Go, and you need to scroll down. You will find the most important one in this video is installed batteries. This one you can see the manufacturer, serial number, the design capacity is 26K, the full charge capacity is 20K. This full charge capacity is the real batteries of your device right now. You can see the cycle count right now. You can scroll down and check the recent use. You can see we have a start time, start source, and capacity remaining. You can check your device battery capacity history. You will have a very long report here. Okay, that is the fastest way for you to check the battery capacity of your Surface Go or Surface Pro, Surface laptops. That's all my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.